To have these Endscreen for free, download and extract the zip file. Let's open Premiere Pro. I have taken a full HD sequence in Premiere Pro. Go to Essential Graphics panel to add the template. Locate the extracted folder which contains the Mogrt file. You can easily edit the text here. You can also change colors of the template here. Let's quickly render it to have a smooth play. Same procedure can be applied to all the templates. Kindly like and subscribe for more great videos.